Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make a granola breakfast cereal. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 3 cups of rolled oats, a half a cup of sliced almonds, a half a cup of dried cranberries, a quarter cup of maple syrup, a quarter cup of olive oil, a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll whisk together our 3 cups of rolled oats, half cup of almonds, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and quarter teaspoon of salt until well combined, and then stir in our quarter cup of maple syrup and quarter cup of olive oil until our mixture is well coated. Because this mixture is sticky, we'll spread it into a shallow baking dish lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. We'll then bake our granola at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, stirring halfway through so our oats and nuts cook evenly. After cooking our granola for 25 minutes, we'll remove it from the oven and allow it to cool to room temperature. This should take about 30 minutes. Once cooled, we'll add our half cup of dried cranberries. Then we'll break up the granola cereal with our hands while mixing in the fruit. We can store this in the pantry for up to 2 weeks. We'll serve this with milk or yogurt. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.